Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are comparing two very popular hosting platforms, Hostinger and Namecheap. So if you are planning to start website, blog, business site or online project, this video will help you to choose the right hosting for your needs. We are comparing features, speed, security, prices and finally tell which one is best for overall. In this video we will cover what is Hostinger and Namecheap, what hosting types they offer, features comparison, speed and performance, security and backups, pricings and who should use each platform. And at the end you will get a clear final verdict. What is Hostinger and Namecheap? Hostinger is a global web hosting company known for affordable prices, fast servers and beginner friendly tools. It focuses on helping new users easily to build and manage website with simple control panels and powerful features. Namecheap started mainly as a domain register company. Later it added hosting service for people who want cheap domains and basic hosting together. It is popular among users who want a simple website and low cost domain. Hosting types that offered. Both platforms offer share hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting and cloud hosting. So in the term of the hosting both are equal, but the real difference comes in performance and features and value. Feature comparison. Hostinger gives large SSD storage, high or unlimited bandwidth, free domain for 1 year, free email, free website builder, easy to use control panel with free SSL certificate and backups. Let's talk about Namecheap. Namecheap offers low storage on basic plan, free domain for 1 year, free email only for limited time, free SSL certificate, simple control panel. Overall, Hostinger gives more features in the same of lower price range. You get more tools, more space and more flexibility. Speed and performance. Hostinger has a data center around the world including the US, Europe and Asia. This means your website load fast for global visitor. Namecheap has a fewer server locations, so speed may be slower for some region. Both promise good uptime, but Hostinger usually perform better in speed tests. For faster website, Hostinger clearly wins. Now let's talk about security and backup. Hostinger provide free SSL, daily or weekly backup, firewall protection, malware scanning. On the other hand, Namecheap provides free SSL, weekly backups only and basic security tools. So in the security and backup, Hostinger again offer stronger protection. Let's compare pricing. Hostinger plans usually start at very low price and give more features. Renewal price are also reasonable. On the other hand, Namecheap may look cheap at first, but renewal price are higher and features are limited. So in overall value of for money, Hostinger is better. Who should use Hostinger? Hostinger is perfect for beginners, blogger, small business owners, anyone who wants to start a fast, secure and affordable hosting. So if you want to easy setup, good speed, strong security and low price, Hostinger is the right choice. Who should use Namecheap? Namecheap is better for people who want mainly for by domain, very simple website, budget users who don't need many features. Final verdict. So after comparing everything, features, speed, security and pricing, the best overall choice is Hostinger. It gives more features, better speed, stronger security and better value for money. If you want the best hosting experience at low price, go with Hostinger. Check the link in the description and don't forget to use coupon code HA10 to get extra discount.